Hi guys, it is 3:49 in the morning. I need to be there at 4 o'clock. So I need to get out and start walking in the next few minutes. It is Sunday, and I'm supposed to be working from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. And then I don't work for the next 2 weeks because next week is spring break. So I am trying to figure out where we should go. We want to do international. So we were thinking of Brazil, but we're like spring break. The thing is with Brazil for us is number one, we have to get a visa for all 5 of us, which wouldn't be a problem if we knew we were gonna 100% get there. But number 2 is I want to do a direct flight from LA, and to get to Brazil from where I am, you're gonna have to take 2 flights. You're gonna have to go into New York, Chicago, or maybe Houston to get there, or DC. And I want to find something that is direct. So we were looking at Singapore. It's it's probably the farthest I've ever been. I think it's 17 hours to get there direct. So we will see. So this is my last shift until I come back from vacation. So we'll see what we're gonna do. Hopefully we have quite a few people today. That we've had some attrition, like people move, changing jobs, different things going on. So there's not as many people. So hopefully we won't get slammed, and that it'll be a smooth smooth shift. So I will see you guys in a few moments. So today I'm going to be doing bag room. Goal, sorting these bags, putting them on these carts. We have 3 carts, and so I'll be doing them according to destination and whether they're transfers or not. So we should have about 3 to 4 carts. 4 carts. Hi guys, I am leaving right now and I am heading to my car. It's about 6:02. It was an okay shift. It was a good shift. We got everything out on time, and that's the main thing. There was quite a few less people working, so when we have less staff, it makes a big difference. But we got through it. We had fun. We made light of it, so that's the main thing. I guess attitude is everything, right? So I am off for the next 2 weeks, and so the main thing is, I'm off this job for the next 2 weeks. I have 3 more days at my other job, and then on Thursday I will be starting the preparations for our spring break trip. I'll have to go shopping for a few things, getting some food items and different things like that, just to make sure that, you know, if there's certain foods that maybe might be a little bit foreign to some of my kids, at least we have some snacks and stuff for the hotels. And just start packing for 5 people. I will be packing light. So I will probably do a video on the process of preparing for this long journey. And I hope you guys had fun. Hope you liked the video, and I will talk to you later.